That is straight up deadly.
What is this?
Exactly.
All right, let's go, Lassie.
Tiger style. Wow.
Crouching tiger, hidden dragon.
Ah!
Come on now! Come on now! Let's go! Let's go! All right, guys, we're out here today for a very special game of skate. Stupid skate. And we have some special, I guess you call these like ice climbing shoes. Nobody's seen them yet. It's gonna be Mogely versus Nigel. Look at that. That is straight up deadly. Good thing that they're gonna be on the bottom of the feet because it's not really like you're gonna like accidentally cut yourself. Right?
R.I.P. their boards.
I got a board for them, yeah. Nigel! Mogely! Come on! Come on out here, we're gonna go outside.
Are we just not gonna mention your pants?
No.
I just put on a new board.
I got you a board to you.
You know what this is? Were you there? You were there. You just probably don't remember.
I was playing ping pong, getting some free coffee. I mean, the free coffee was delicious.
There you go.
What is this?
Exactly.
Well, if you're ever skating in Antarctica, this is what you skate in. This is
We are
actually-
making a Braille trip to Antarctica.
Yeah,
coming
actually
soon.
legit, for real.
Gabe hates us. Oh my gosh.
These are sick.
Should've used these with the ice board.
Actually, how do you get them on your shoes? Yeah, you good. You good.
This is the right
Oh,
way.
oh, look at this.
Oh, I think you extend it. What in the world? He not only is from the jungle, he also is very good at. Oh, it even says left, so this one's your left.
Oh, I didn't even check that.
Yeah. Is that the right way? The way you have it? Oh, I guess so.
Yeah.
No, this is the.
This looks like it would support the heel.
Yeah, he's got it
Yeah,
right.
because then you stick your toe in right there. Mowgli's like fully suited up and climbing the ice wall, and Nigel's like, nope.
All right, let's go, Lassie.
Damn. Is that what you do? You hold on to him?
I mean, I'm pretending.
I'm pretending.
This is crazy.
Yeah, be careful.
All right.
Brother, just put them on and let's go clubbing.
I actually feel safe if I was to go in ice. Like I feel like I could do this.
I love how he's like very shocked. I actually feel safe if I was to go in ice. Every video starts out like, no, impossible, can't even do a trick. And then like 10 minutes in, it's like tray flip, late flip, hard flip, double, tray flip, revert. 45 minutes later, Nigel has the shoes on.
These ones didn't seem as easy as those ones.
It's true, they're not.
Tiger style.
Here, just stop that.
What the?
Wow.
My water!
Wow.
There goes my water. I guess.
That's no joke.
Zombie apocalypse? I'm running everywhere with these.
Imagine getting dropped.
And then you're stuck into a
That's what I was
zombie
also
forever.
thinking,
Done. All right, let's go. Rochambeau.
Ah. All right. Wow.
Style.
All right.
Crouching tiger, hidden dragon.
Okay.
Okay, I think that might have been an ollie. Mogely. I feel like he's really good at really weird things. You almost stepped on my foot.
Did I?
Yes.
That felt good.
Wow.
Ah.
Ref.
I'm reffing this. We're gonna count it. Nice. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
Nollie? Okay.
I just want to put it out there that I'm vegan, so unnecessary information.
That's why he did a nollie. Now you know, okay?
Ooh.
How did he pop that in the air?
I feel like it's so much easier with these things on.
Like training wheels, huh?
Yeah.
Just think, that could be your chest.
Would you like a massage, sir? Lay down.
Can I
Just
ollie
see.
over you?
No? Oh my gosh.
I'm not pressing. I'm
That
like,
is like, that would hurt so
yeah.
bad.
All right. I almost went. That would have been rude.
No! How did you do that? Tell me everything.
I mean, I told you I'm vegan. I'm not promoting it. It's just.
This was the whole, how did you do that front shove? I mean, it's really interesting. I told you I'm vegan. Okay. If you want a front shove, you can be vegan too.
Oh god.
Does that seem easier?
Kinda.
I just realized you're wearing freaking shorts. You almost kicked your own leg with the spike.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
No more
Oh,
variable.
that's very possible too.
Yeah. It's just like the most irritating sound in the world. No!
Oh! That's weird. It's weird, huh?
That was really weird.
Just stay on there. That would have totally counted.
That
For
works.
real?
It works.
Is that how he goes?
Yeah, it works.
That felt kind of cool.
Oh, it's interesting.
Tell me everything.
I mean,
I want to know why it's interesting. What does it feel like? Is it hard?
Interesting could be everything. Like it could be sad boys. It could be hungry. It could be just I hope you win.
What does it feel like to skate in those shoes? We'll never know, I guess.
Oh my god!
There's a way.
It literally grabbed and just was like, I got this!
You know, like the models that are like. That's how I feel.
Wait, what?
Do you want to wear my pants? Okay, go ahead. I totally understand you.
Oh my.
What in the world? For real? Hold on. This is what happened. Is this hook caught underneath it, and then it just went whoosh.
I don't know.
Actually try it. Actually try it.
Okay.
That is so scary every time. Every time.
Setting up for tray flip, then quickly went nollie hill and tried back.
No!
Switch hill, that's where you're trying?
Yeah.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Dude, you gotta relax a little bit.
It pierced through here and got stuck. Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
And then this one really dug in.
Yep.
Who do you think you are, Wolverine right
This would
A little
save
bit.
your life in a field of ice.
Oh! That's scary.
Does that not count? I grabbed.
It counts, dude!
I'm gonna get that.
It's
eight.
all
It's
in
all
your
cool.
finger
I mean. Oh, I would have counted that.
Switch flip?
Wow.
That's what I'm saying. These games always start out with, we can't do anything. 2 switch flips later.
The Kelly.
Okay.
Dude, felt like the board just broke.
I literally just almost stepped on my toe by itching my heel right here. I went like this and it just went boom.
Board has been through quite a bit. The
Nails
bottom
on the bottom.
was skated with the nails ledge. The top is skated with the nails shoes. Wow.
Like my confidence level from like
High five.
confident level from like the tricks I thought I could do was low, then it went high, and then it went
Now
back
it's
to
like,
low.
now you're like, oh.
Yeah, because
We believe in you.
That'd be harder. Still do it.
Yeah, boy.
Best believe. If I would have stuck, I would have stuck.
You would have bodied.
let's make this a one to remember. I didn't.
Wow.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, I didn't think I was gonna land that. And
Wow.
oh my.
Watch those ankles.
That was so good.
Let's go, Mo.
Oh, man.
You got that. You got that. Just a little more pop.
My foot was not in the right spot. That was interesting.
That was
Let's do our
really
fashion
interesting.
walk now.
But I'm dying to know, what was it like to skate in the shoes?
It was, some tricks were kind of more grippy than others.
Yeah?
Especially for hill flip tricks, it felt like it just dug in and flipped.
So it's better.
I mean, for me, normally for tray flip, you could feel the pocket and you have control for the tail too, however you do it. And for me, I couldn't do it because I didn't feel this right here, the toe
Yeah.
area. he saw whenever I was trying to do the toe flip. It wasn't working. Look at that.
Yeah.
I need that pressure right there to make a toe flip work.
Nobody landed a
So-
tray flip.
I know, but we attempted it.
So basically what you're trying to say is it was harder.
Yes.
Yeah. That makes sense. Do you want to do a tray flip? I feel like
Let's see that tray
we need
flip.
just a tray flip.
Come on now! Come on now! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, dude. What stupid skate should we do next? Leave it in the comments below. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you can learn how to skateboard. You can do it right now. Get a skateboard, learn how to ride it, and have some fun.